Yeah, good afternoon. So, is your first name really Yes?
Yeah, yes, my first name is yes.
Okay, that's quite interesting. Is it short for a longer name?
Yeah, actually, my name is Yaswant Rajput.
Okay, Yashwant Rajput. That makes sense
Yes,
now. Right. So, your
yes,
nickname is Yes. Okay.
yes,
So I was so
yes.
confused. I thought that you might have accidentally written that. But okay, so your
No,
name
no.
is Yashwant. All right. Right. That goes with your last name better.
Yeah, obviously.
So, you're from Bhopal, Yashwant?
Yeah, I am from Bhopal. Actually, I live in Bhopal for study purpose, and
Okay.
right now in my village, just because
You're
of
in your village.
spending
Yeah.
some holidays of Diwali.
Okay, all right. So what subject do you study? You're studying for what degree?
Actually, I am a UPSC aspirant, preparing for UPSC.
UPSC.
Yes.
Okay, right. So you are in which year right now?
Actually, it's my first year. I have completed my graduation, but right now I have just started prepare for UPSC.
Okay, this is your first year preparing for
Yes, prepare
UPSC.
for yes
When
for
you
first year.
mentioned first year, I thought you might be in first year of masters.
No, no, no,
You
no,
don't
no,
in,
no.
don't intend to study for a master's degree?
Actually, I didn't go through that one because it's a requirement that if you are completed graduation, it's enough. And I think
Hmm.
I should try to do the best for my preparation.
Okay.
That's why I did it.
Okay. So you are going to commit to UPSC preparation wholeheartedly now.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Interested also.
Okay. So this will be your first attempt? First attempt? You will sit
Yeah,
for
yes.
next year?
Actually, just I have just prepared for 6 months so far, and I attempted
Okay.
once only just for because
Okay.
I wanted to find out that
See the
what
format.
kind of yes what kind of exams held and what kinds of patterns. That's why I attempted the last one, which was held in October 2021,
Okay.
and now I have
Okay.
to fully prepared for 2022.
All right. That's good. So let's hope you do well next time. I wish you all the best.
uh, Thanks a lot, man.
Okay. So let me know how we can help you here at Clapping Go. What are you looking to improve particularly?
Actually, on Clapping Go, obviously,
Hmm.
specifically, we are here just for improving English, and
Hmm.
there are some criteria in which I am
Hmm.
not good at English, so that's why I
Hmm.
choose to communicate on Clapping Go. The first one is communication, obviously, because
Okay.
if we communicate a lot, then definitely we will have a lots of difference in our communication. So the first one is
Hmm.
communication, and the
Hmm.
second one is sometimes it happens
Hmm.
grammatical also.
Okay.
And the third and most important one is this also that sometimes what happens that we know that how to speak, but we
Hmm.
are unable to say, unable to know, um, we can say express our ideas.
Right.
That's the issue that
Okay, you know the
is there.
thought, but you can't think of the right precise
Yes,
words. Okay, so
yeah. So
vocabulary can be an issue. All right. So you want
yeah,
to
so the
challenge yourself on all fronts. You want to
yeah,
speak well, you want to fine tune your grammar, and you want to improve
sure,
your vocabulary. All
sure,
right.
sure. These are some
Okay.
criteria which I have to
Okay.
focus on, and I have to
Yes.
get the answer that what to do and what should I
Hmm.
do for improve in this particular category.
Yeah. So I think we can definitely help you there. I just want to warn you that we won't teach you anything formally.
Yeah.
Every session, once you join Clapping Go, every session will be an interactive session like this.
Yes.
They will probably encourage you to express your thoughts or ideas on diverse topics,
Yeah.
and we will pay attention to how you are describing yourself, expressing yourself, and
Yeah.
towards the end, the speakers will give you their feedback that in
Yes.
their perception, what can you do
Sure.
to improve yourself? And obviously, your performance will tend to vary from session to session because a lot of things impact our communication, your comfort level with the topic. Sometimes you might have a topic that you can talk a lot about. Sometimes the
Yeah.
topic might be really challenging. So you
Obviously.
will have to adjust your time. And what
Sure.
kind of weakness it exposes, so the feedback might also differ according to that,
Yeah.
right?
Obviously. Yes. Yes. Yes.
but but it's a great exercise. It's a great exercise to join Clapping Go because after you interact with a handful of speakers, certain number
Yeah.
of speakers who are fluent in English, you will be able to create your own game plan. That's what you need to focus on the most
Sure.
to improve as soon as possible, right? And since you're
Sure.
already studying full time, if
Yeah.
somebody
obviously.
tells you that you need to fine tune your tenses or you need to, focus on vocabulary and how you can do that, if they give you a suggestion, you can actually act on it.
Definitely.
Study in your own time and actually improve that aspect, and make sure that in the forthcoming sessions, the feedback somehow turns into a positive also. Negative feedback turns into a
Yeah,
positive.
definitely.
Yeah?
Definitely. Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
So are there any questions that you have regarding the service? I mean, if you have seen some of the sessions on YouTube, then you
Yes,
might
yes, I
already
have
have a
gone.
good idea.
Yes, I have gone through.
Okay.
I have gone through a lot
Okay.
of videos of Clappingo on the YouTube. But
Okay.
I think for me, just I am here just most of the time that I have to improve my communication skills. So I think if we will in touch regularly basis or twice or thrice
Mhm.
in a week, so I think that will be helpful for me because
Okay.
I specifically that I know. Suppose you are talking to me and I can understand easily whatever
Hmm.
the message is being given by you, and the
Hmm.
grammatical rule also I know that what kind of rules I have to implement here and there. But the
Hmm.
reason is this: at the time of speaking,
Hmm.
sometimes I'm not saying that each and every time. Sometimes it happens with me that I am no using the incorrect grammar rules and some
Hmm.
other things also. So these are the things. So I think for me, I have to just communicate regularly. I think
Yeah.
that's the thing that I have to do.
Yeah. So if you haven't already gone through the Clappingo standard plan, I think you get the option to book 1 session, 3 sessions, 5 sessions, or 7 sessions a week. So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can choose between 3 to 5 sessions as and when,
definitely,
as it suits
definitely,
you.
definitely.
Rest, if you have any questions regarding anything, technical questions, I mean, I can answer, I'll try to answer whatever I can. But the backend team is better well versed with how the app functions and the rules of,
Yeah,
joining
obviously,
the session.
sure,
Yeah.
sure, sure.
So if you have any questions that you think of later on, or you think of while you are trying to make a payment for the subscription fee, you can ask the backend team. And the best way to do that is through the Clappingo chat box. There is a chat box when
Yeah,
you log into your Clapping account.
yes, I have gone through and I know each and everything that how to
Okay,
get
that's
the
great.
subscription. I know that's there is no
That's
not
great.
any kind of problem for.
No,
But
okay.
here I am just for getting some kind of tips that
Yeah.
what to
No,
do.
I
And
understand. But I was just letting you know that the backend is always available for assistance. So it may not necessarily about payment or plans, even otherwise. You have any doubts about speakers, or if you have doubts about session booking or session cancellation, any doubts you have, you can always write a question to the backend team. It doesn't
yes,
take too much time for them to
we
answer you.
hope
So they'll get
obviously
back to you as soon as they can, right?
definitely.
Okay.
But I think
Okay.
the answer in the writing form that's not the good but the answer in the way like we are talking to each other, I think that will be
Hmm.
better than that one also. So I think
Yes, I'm just trying to inform you that there is always somebody
yes,
available
yeah,
for assistance.
yes, I know.
Yeah. Obviously, you will you show up as far as practicing your communication is concerned. We are here. The speakers are always available, and you will get that
Definitely.
benefit out of the session. But for
Sure,
general maintenance of your service, for general
sure.
upkeep of your account, you can always talk to the backend team that something's not going right for some time. Sometimes what happens, we have technical issues,
Yeah,
and the session
yeah,
gets wasted. You can
yeah.
always immediately inform the technical team that this is happening, which is
Yes,
of
yes.
no fault of yours, right?
Sure, sure.
So they'll make sure that that gets looked into.
Definitely.
Okay, so we have some time. We have about 6-7 minutes. So is there anything else you want to discuss? You're free to discuss.
Yeah, just I told you that give some authentic tips that what should I
Hmm.
do and what kind of tips and tricks I should use to improve because as I am interacting with you, so you might have noticed some kinds of difficulties and problems and what kind of mistakes I am making. So I think these kinds of tips I want to get from you. that what to do.
So on the basis of what I've heard right now so far, I feel like in your case, it's just a little bit of lack of practice. You are
Yeah,
probably talking in Hindi in your day-to-day life.
yeah, obviously.
Is that your mother tongue? Hindi is your mother tongue?
Yes, my mother tongue is.
So when you went to high school, did you study in an English medium school or a Hindi medium school?
Actually, I am from Hindi medium, to be honest, and
Okay.
my bachelor
Okay.
degree is also in Hindi medium. But
Okay.
I just give a lot of time to English, so that's the reason that I am interacting to you. And now,
Okay.
just in my preparation, I have
Hmm.
completely changed my all over the stuff, books and each and everything in English medium. So that's the thing that
Okay.
I am able to,
Okay.
be contact with.
Yes. I couldn't have guessed. I thought that even if you studied in a Hindi medium school, you probably studied in an English medium college because you don't sound like a beginner. So you have probably put in a lot of time and effort into learning this
Yeah,
language. That's
yeah,
really
sure,
good.
sure, ma'am.
Okay. So now the
Actually,
next, yes,
this is the result of, I think, whole 1 year of practice, honestly.
1 year.
Yeah,
Okay.
1 year, it means that completely completed 1 year. By the way, I
Okay.
have been doing a practice of learning English for a long time, I'm sure. But,
Okay.
in particular, that lockdown period of 2 or 3 months, I
Hmm.
didn't do anything except writing, reading, listening, and watching videos. These are the things. So I think that's the result of those kinds of, habits I adapted in those 3 or 4 months that I have to go through novels. And I have just
Hmm.
finished 1 or 2 or 3 novels in just 10 or 15 days initially. After that, in a
Okay.
week, that's kind of things I
That's
did. So
great.
I think
That's
that's the
great.
reason. That's right.
Right. So you have already been doing a lot. I was about to start off with the fact that if you want to master any language, you need to write, speak, listen, and what's the fourth? Read in some capacity every day. And you're probably already doing that. So
Yeah.
maybe from here on, we can get specific. You can probably start listening to people from other countries,
Yes.
start listening to a variety of accents to
Sure.
challenge your listening ability. You can
Yeah.
do that's one thing you can do. Uh, uh, it will be very helpful for you to master phrasal verbs.
Phrasal verb.
Phrasal verbs are nothing
Yeah.
but a verb plus a preposition, right? Like
Preposition. Yes. Yeah.
moving
Yeah.
on,
Obviously.
walking out, walk-in interview,
Working. Yeah.
email
Definitely.
conditioner, right?
Sure.
That enhances your vocabulary because a lot of people they focus, they put in a lot of effort to learn big words.
Yeah.
But when you use that in your spoken, like spoken, I'm getting losing the word. When you use that in your speech, when you use
Yes.
big words in your speech, you sound a little fake. You sound a little unnatural. Yeah,
Yeah.
and maybe you can do that in certain situations if those,
Sure.
but with limited number of words, limited kind of words because they might be specific to a technical kind of jargon. For instance,
Sure.
if you use a lot of big legal terms while discussing a crime related topic, then it's quite
Mhm.
valid to use those words. But in your
Definitely.
general everyday life, you're using big words, it doesn't really make you sound natural. So if you
Mhm.
learn phrasal verbs, if you practice sentence framing sentences with different kinds of phrasal
Mhm.
verbs, and you play some word association games, you will be able to. I think your mic just went mute. Yeah. So if you master
Mhm.
phrasal verbs, you will be able to become more, you will become more responsive when you're describing certain things, when you're talking at
Sure.
length. It'll
Sure.
get
Sure.
easier for
Sure.
you.
So actually,
So,
for learning phrasal verbs, as you
hmm,
have suggested me that try to learn more and more phrasal verbs. So,
hmm.
what kind of techniques I should use to learn phrasal verbs? Because learning like mugging up, it is not going to be helpful. Because I have
I
also
think
learned a lot of words.
okay.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yes,
think the
ma'am.
best
Just tell
way
me.
to practice use of new words, be it a regular word or a phrasal verb, the best way to do that is to frame sentences with it. So,
Frame
for
sentences.
instance, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, so it doesn't have to be correct, to be honest. You need to be able to use it in a sentence.
definitely. Yeah, sure.
And
It means
if
that
you can create 5 or 6 situations with that one word,
you obviously,
right, whatever
obviously.
comes to your mind, And if you feel like you're getting stuck, you're not able to think anything, Google is always there. Sample sentence with so and so
Sure.
word, right? Sample sentence. You get some idea. And if you like
That,
any sentence that you think that this is a very precise use, you can alter one or two words in that sentence to make it your own. So,
sure,
for
sure.
instance, if a name is used, you can use your name or a friend's name.
Yeah, it means
And
that try to make more and more sentences, try to form
yeah,
some sentences on the basis of that particular meaning or particular phrasal verb.
yeah. And you try and use it to describe a situation that you have
Yeah.
personally experienced. So, in a way,
Yeah,
you're practicing to describe something you have experienced using a new word. You will remember that word. But it's always
definitely.
helpful to maintain a personal notebook. So, if you are
Obviously.
learning new words and you start
Okay.
maintaining your own notebook, you can always refer back,
So actually,
right?
I do the same thing also. I do the same thing
You do
because
that, yeah.
oh yeah, what I have to do, because early in the morning I have to just go through the Hindu newspaper. So whenever I think that this is the word and term which I don't know the meaning, so I write
Mm.
down that particular word immediately, and
Mm.
just by going through regularly 2 or 3 days, then
Mm.
definitely that
Mm.
particular word will be goes in our mindset, and after that these kinds of
Okay.
things I do regularly. So I think on the
Yeah. So
basis of that thing, I
you already doing that. You need to make sure that every time you include a word in your personal notebook, personal journal, you add at least 5 to 6 examples of that word in practice.
sure,
Using a
sure,
word,
sure.
its meaning. I mean, we will give you session notes whenever you book a session topic. I think we are about to get cut off, but we don't give you sample sentences. So it's always good to have examples. You will learn English by using and going through examples,
Definitely. You obviously.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah, I
this is
think
the
we are
okay,
about to
okay,
get cut off. Sorry to interrupt, but
okay,
I
okay.
hope to talk to you again soon. And you're doing
Definitely.
really well. You're doing really
Thanks a
well.
lot. Oh, thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks.
Okay.
Okay,
Have a
okay.
nice day. Bye.
Same here.